Hello everybody, today I will show you how to reset oil life indicator on 2016 Ram 2500 6.7 diesel. So basically you just put the key in and you don't have to start the vehicle, just turn it to run position and then you will have to go under vehicle information, so use this button to say yes, then scroll down all the way to oil life. I did it already, but I'm just making this video to show you how to do it. So basically hold this button again to reset, then it's gonna ask you confirm the reset and just click on yes. And that's it. It's gonna be at 100%.